I've been pricing out canvas tote bags in bulk, and they can get really expensive really fast. But I found this pack of 50 and I was impressed with the value and the quality. These are the 15 by 13 inch blank black canvas tote bags with long handles. So they're really nice size for everyday use. The company sent them to me to test out, and they are made from a lightweight 10-ounce canvas blend that is 75% polyester and 25% cotton. And the fabric is really smooth, so it's easy to customize. I like how versatile they are, whether you're using heat transfer vinyl, DTF, screen printing, embroidery, acrylic paint, or even just permanent markers. These bags are basically a blank canvas for whatever project you have in mind. Right now, my boys and their friends are decorating these with acrylic paint markers to take to our local parade. They're making all kinds of fun designs so they can collect candy, and it's such a fun activity for them. It's a simple project that keeps them entertained, and it's something that they can actually use again and again. My boys use these bags to take to the library and carry their books back in. They carry their electronics when we go into town. They just can use these for whatever. I also used my Cricut to add my business name and logo to a few of them, and they turned out so good. If you have a small business, these are perfect for customer orders, vendor markets, promotional events, or branded giveaways, and they give everything a much more professional look without spending a fortune. And they're not just for businesses, they are perfect for birthday parties, classroom crafts, bridal showers, church events, sports teams, family reunions, gift bags, really any DIY project you need a bunch of quality tote bags for. Overall, if you're looking for a bulk pack that's really well made, easy to customize, and works with just about every crafting method, I really don't think you can go wrong with these. They're a great value and they are going to get a lot of use out of them.